Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back at Gaming from the Artificial. So, I have lots of things done here. Now, in the previous video, I told you guys exactly what the rotor was, but, excuse me, I'm gonna skip that little part. Now, what I have done since I have the problems here, this is the complete distributor, what I replaced. Got the spark plugs done, all three of them, bobbin cable also replaced, and my coolant fuel is a little bit on the lower side, but hey, one very nice thing, guys, one thing you guys have not seen yet, and which I also said that you guys are gonna see it, because it's gonna be a nice thing. Let's get to it. Now, as said, on this little dinky toy, I promised you guys to have a side pipe. So, later on, I also will do another video where I drive around with the new sound. So, I'm gonna show you guys what I have done beneath the car. And then I mean in this case in the pit. So, yeah, let's head down here. A little dangerous stairs, but anyways. So, I'm in the pit. So there you are, guys. This is the exhaust tip, and we did some fabrication to the chassis, of course, to well, I cannot move it to make it stable. So this is actually my center silencer, and further ahead, which you guys cannot see, is already the cat. So this is my mid silencer, and right over there should actually be my end silencer, which I have deleted, of course, because right over there, as you guys can see, there's a little hole on the back, which the original pipe should go. So, of course, I got some help. Now, at least exhaust clamps, well, definitely not too short. But I have to say, this looks very promising. I only have to tighten this a little bit. However, it's already tightened up. That's the only thing what it does at the moment. So I try to get rid of it as far as I can. So that means I have somewhere that little thing. Anyways, I need to tighten it up. And then my thing is done. Then the only thing I have to do is hoping to pass the test. Oh yeah, by the way, I also have new windshield wipers. Yeah, I mean, that's over here in this country a real good thing to pass the test. Included with the new pipe that's currently on. Now, you guys want to laugh very hard at me? Because I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid, you guys cannot imagine. I had 3 wipers. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. Guess what? The biggest one, 21 inch, I did not see laying on the road. So it was, I had it laying on my spoiler. I was driving around and I suddenly have driven over it. Flattened. I can get that one new again. Anyways, so that's how it looks right now. And yeah, I mean, the sound is not too shabby. The sound is pretty good. Now, I mean, if I'm gonna pull this boy off, I mean, I can, of course, but then it's gonna be somehow a race car, and, well, let's not do that, okay? So, I switched my camera to the front with a little bit delay of speaking. Anyways, now you guys have seen a little bit of my modified exhaust. Now, see, we are on 4-minute dirty. I'm gonna show you guys what was wrong. Why did the car really not start it? Why did it not want to? I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So you guys know exactly where I'm talking about. Now, there we are. There is my little boy, which was failing so hard. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So right here, guys, this is the complete distributor which goes on this side on the camshaft And yeah, I mean, whenever this is touching the camshaft, this one is rotating, and right over here it makes electricity. Now, the nicest thing of all, this right here, this is the rotator. This part was failing, exactly this one. This is not a replacement or something like that, no way. This baby boy is failing. For the people that are familiar with it, look very closely and you guys can see, huh? Where's the center thing? Exactly, that one is gone. So there you got the metal plate on the outside where my temp is right now, right over there. And on the center should also be something, and that's gone. So yeah, I mean, that means it's gone and it's failing. So that was the problem on my car. Whenever I put the complete new distributor in the car, my car spontaneously ran like never before. Also the engine, whenever it's cold or hot outside, doesn't even matter. The car is running like it's coming new from the factory. Running so smooth. And I mean, let us be fair. A 3-cylinder engine is actually, well, pretty known for vibration. And I mean, this engine is running very nice. So I'm gonna show that all in a later video if I'm able to. I mean, who likes to see an engine shake? I mean, that's not that spectacular. So guys, I'm gonna finish my job because it's already very late and I need to go back home also very soon. So guys, this was the video. I hope I see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Whenever, I mean, I already have done 5-6 parts of this car, which I already have shown right now, but that does not mean we're done here. Oh way, no way, man. We need some new, not for one or another, but we need definitely new tires. We need new rims. We definitely need things done in the engine bay. We need my head colored. Maybe we have to make this one a little bit better. I want a new hood that's going over from this side to that side to make the car an angry look. I need new H4 glowing headlamps. Yeah, that sounds very weird, but these are glowing headlights. So I need 2 of them, not in the yellow color, but in the blue color. Also, I have, for now, disconnected the tachometer gauge, and that's because of the test. I don't want to fail the test, I want to succeed, especially with my new toy over there. That being said, I'm still not done, guys. I mean, I need a new spoiler, of course. My windows are not tinted yet, so I need to tint that, especially also for the back. And my taillights should be done. I needed a rear diffuser or something like that, if it's existing for this car. And you can call it so whatever. Maybe even if I can find it, some silver things on here. So that should look way better. Anyways, yeah, my car is really a mess. Oh my goodness, I really should clean it up. Anyways, guys, for now, this is the video. I'm gonna finish my part. I hope you guys enjoyed what you have seen. And yeah, I think it's for me time to finish the job with the exhaust. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I see you guys in the next video.